In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add charts in Notion using your Notion data. If you're familiar with Notion, you know it's a powerful tool for organizing and managing information. But did you know you can harness its capabilities to create visual representations of your data? Let's dive in and explore how you can transform your Notion databases into insightful charts. First, we need to begin by opening your Notion workspace. This is your personal dashboard where all your notes, databases, and projects live. Make sure you're logged in and ready to access the vital data you'd like to visualize. Having everything at your fingertips will streamline the process as you proceed. Once you're in, the next step is to navigate to the specific database you want to visualize. Databases in Notion are where the magic happens when it comes to organizing your information. Identify the one that contains the data you're interested in turning into a chart. This could be anything from project timelines, financial tracking, or other numerically driven data collections. Before we create any charts, it's important to ensure that your data contains numeric properties. This is crucial because charts inherently rely on numbers for visualization. Think of them like the skeleton of your data's story. Go through your database and check if the entries you're planning to chart contain numbers. If not, you might want to incorporate or adjust data accordingly to ensure a smooth charting experience. When you're sure that your data is ready, it's time to explore Notion's built-in visual alternatives. Notion offers a variety of ways to visualize data, even though it might not have traditional charting tools on par with dedicated software like Excel or Google Sheets. Look through the available options to find views like Kanban boards or timelines that might suit the type of data visualization you're aiming for. While these are not charts in the strictest sense, they can offer insightful perspectives on your data. For those interested in a more creative approach, you can add a formula property to your database to create progress bars. This is a handy trick to add another layer of visualization to your data. Progress bars can effectively showcase completion rates or milestones in a visually compelling way. You just need to define a formula that calculates percentages or milestones based on your numeric data properties, and voila! You have an at-a-glance visual inside your Notion page. And there you have it. A simple guide on how to add charts and enhance data visualization within your Notion workspace. While Notion may not provide complex charting tools, by strategically using numeric properties and its visual alternatives, you can creatively and effectively represent your data with just a few clicks. Thanks for watching, and I hope you find this tutorial helpful in boosting your productivity with Notion.